Hi guys, I've got an update. I just wanted to show you these lovely, um, they're not spring blossom, but this is my maple tree that's woken up for spring, and look how cute these leaves are. So this one was here, and I knew it would be fine, but I just wanted to show you. Look how, oh, this is a better angle. Look how pretty these brand new leaves are. So that's going good. It will get all its leaf, or it will turn red as they grow bigger, and then it will give a whole different look. And that was what you'd only see in sticks. And that's my peach tree, and there's all the peach blossoms. Not too many blossoms, but still better than nothing. And look how green those leaves are. Looks so stunning. And that's my silver birch. Look at all this road noises. Right, look. Oh, look how lovely. I love this trunk of it. It's so stunning. And these leaves are so lovely and green. So this is going to give shade to the garden. And I just love this tree. I had another one, but it died. This one is quite big now. At least it survived. So that's that. Let me try and make my way through this maze there. That's the maple. This guava is waking up too. I hope it gets bigger so it can give shade to that side bed there. It's so short. But the biggest thing I wanted to show you guys is my poor little maple which got dug up in winter. Look, it's alive. There. I was so excited to see, not just excited, I was over the moon to see when the first buds started opening up. And look, this didn't go green and then red like that one at the top there, but it just went straight red, and that's fine, maybe because of the stress, but it's alive. It's got all its new leaves, and there's more sprouting there. Yes, that was the biggest worry of mine, because even though I did dig them up, during winter while they're asleep, I did cut off a lot of roots, and that was what I was worried about. But it's all fine. And look, if in the spot here, it's going to be so stunning with all its red leaves. And the one at the back, they're so gorgeous. And then that peach tree, and there's my lovely silver birch. And then I didn't show you my other maple that I have. This is a Acer palmatum. This one's new. This one is only a year, I think, year old, but it's also pushed out all its new leaves. It's just not, I don't know, the shape is all wonky from the bottom. It's got leaves, doesn't have a proper tree shape. I did trim it a bit because it was leaning to one side. It's still leaning, but hopefully over the years it'll get a proper shape. So that's gonna look lovely once it gets all its leaves, or gets bigger. Yeah, so that was the biggest thing. But my maple was the one I wanted to let you know about, in case you were worried about it like me. Right, so that's it. This pretty maple. Oh, let me show you this one from this angle. Look. Ah, so beautiful. It's just so stunning. And now with the garden bed around it, it looks like a real feature. Yeah, look, the breeze came at the right time. Yeah, and breeze better than the gusts of wind that we've had recently. So um, these plants have been through the war with this hail and wind that was so strong, over 80 kilometers per hour. They got battered for the first week of spring, and they are doing fine. But I wish they didn't have to go through that. Poor leaves. But look, how cute. Oh, I can't get enough. Look at this. I don't know what that little buds are like, berries, but they're not berries. All right, that's all. All that's waking up and the garden's changing. Just wanted to show you the maple trees. That's all for now. Bye.